Yes. We are go. Hold on it. I see him night, but a different time the video gonna post. Or probably me gonna post the same day. So I don't know. Anyways, we have a next video where we're gonna watch some videos and we're gonna laugh. And then we're gonna go into the comment section. You know, say Jamaicans, we know real. And we say some of the not so realist things. And sometimes we say the realist things in the comment section. So let's see what the guy has say.
I can tell you no. It look like me sign a contract with Bumbuckler Buckness. Why Buckness hold on for me so long and won't let me go. But hear me a stand on Buckness. Me a give you a full day for let me go. You see if you don't let me go, I go light your Bumbuckler to fire. Me a
Fire upon Buckness. Fire upon Buckness. I rebuke Buckness from all of my subscribers and followers and likers and commenters. No. Run with Buckness. Rebuke Buckness from Uno and myself too. Hey, I'd rather to be cheated on than to be broke. And that's the truth. Yeah, a simple matter. If you get your heart broken, I easy heal that. But you say when you're broke, I can't buy what you want or need. Your son or daughter asks you for something, I have to tell them wait. Or no. Worse, no. Aye. Me not like the feeling there, brother. So cheat for me, brother. Cause me just left you and cut. But if you be broke and something in America, when you go broke, I don't like a yard in a man. They can't go to your neighbor in a man. A problem over this a place. Anyways, me and you in the same boat. Hey, me and in the same boat too. Let me go, Buckness. Let me go. Same ship we sailing in. I need this contract terminated right now. Yeah, man. The broke contract, they have to go away. Run away. I rebuke the spirit of Buckness. You see it? And me alone I rebuke it. A real man. What? I guess I feel really in if you say. Not you alone, sonny boy. We all are rebuking it. Me I rebuke it for Uno and myself. Only time Buckness let me go, I when bill due. Jesus, as soon as the bill them done pay, y'all look in your account I run from you can nothing did it. All the money gone. And some of my money gone on a back road. Some of it gone at our next Hero Bank. Some of it gone a Go-Go Club. But eventually if you go a back road, our Go-Go Club, guess where it gone? In the Hero Bank. All the money gone. Anyways, I feel your pain, sir. Me feel for him too. Me know you feel. Trust me. It's all of we signed the contract. Oh my God. Let me go, man. Cha. Bun down it. Arse. Me tired of it. Anyways, me gonna end up on that. We have a next video right now. We're gonna jump into it. You see what I say? Yeah, man. But we rebuke Buckness from all the way, man. All the way. Only people them supposed to broke, I gunman them. But then again, me didn't even want them broke. Cause when them broke, then we go rob people. Jesus, pity most. Jaja. Anyways, we have a next video.
Yeah, this boy, me meet him somewhere, Spanish Town. So me and him did a talk, you know, and body feel heated, and me I say, you know what? Like when him look and all of that.
Yeah.
So me and him go at this place. I don't know what the place name, but I mean, body in a talk, so he didn't have nothing to say. And me say, Raga, we go and we start out, and me I tell her, say, round after round after round after round, and the boy drop asleep. And me drop asleep too. But before, when we go in the room, and give me $10,000, Raga, when me wake up, $10,000 gone and man gone.
Voila. Which room you did in? Who for room you did in?
It's a place in go rent.
Hotel?
Yes. So me drop asleep now. Him drop asleep before it is. A chicken trip me in a Raga. Him drop asleep first and me go follow him and drop asleep. When me get up, boy gone and money gone.
What you say? Round after round after round.
Round after round, him tired me.
So him go hard. Him get a good work done.
Raga, him weak me out.
I style the boy, I style the mummy. Style the boy, style the mum. What a wicked act, man. Oh my gosh. Remind me of my virgin when he tell me saying go club and he pay the girl and then pick the girl pocket or pick the girl purse. What a wicked act, man. Hey. Anyways, boy, what go on? From roughness tonight to selling vajiji to I be that I go on my video them tonight. Watcha? What is that this? Money shortage, man. Anyways, so first comment, nobody can beat this out of me. So him get doubles and get back in money. Oh my gosh, it's a wicked acting up. Me feel it for the lady. Cause the boy beat her body, no? Oh no. Would I bring this to the grave? It sound like you should have paid him. Hey, even if somebody had me at gunpoint, they couldn't get this out of me. Hey, not even Jesus couldn't get me to repeat this. What? Whoa, I'm weak here. You never hear about T-Town, man, no? What? Me don't know what that be. You gonna learn today. I guess T-Town away. If you don't know what T-Town be, you know, let me know in the comment section. Mama, you sleep dead. Him could have moved the bed with you. Oh my gosh. Is the room in pay for? So me could have put out this your information for free, baby. You double lose. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it this so. Anyways, you have some man where are really craft man, them a real style, and you have some woman where they take a bait and lose out. She gave him the honey and him gave her the money. And after I get the honey, he style her out of the money. Hey, I don't like the line there. We just make it up on spot, you know. I kid you not. But anyways, woman forget things. And me no about nobody who it's your body, your choice. Me a Christian, but I'm not God. Me no judge. Okay. Me not judge nobody because see, him thief. The man thief the woman $10,000. And she sell front. She sell him some front for 10 grand. So which sin is worse? The Bible says one sin worse than any, and a blaspheme. But of course, law of the land say murder is worse. I mean, I agree. So if you thief compared to murder, there's a big difference. But anyways, I don't know where I go with the conversation. I don't want to get it serious. I just want to have it at a laughing video, laughing phase. So, if you like the video for me, remember say YouTuber fight me. You can look and see say no views not up on the video then, but thanks to you guys for watching anyway. Stay safe. God bless.